Hi everyone, welcome to SRE Chronicles. In today's video, we will learn how to use clear command in Linux. If you are learning Linux, DevOps, or SRE skills, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and share it to support the channel. Let's get started. Clear. The clear command is standard Unix utility used to clean the terminal display by removing all previously shown output. It works by detecting the current terminal type from the environment and then referencing the terminfo database to determine the correct method for clearing the screen. Any command line arguments provided are ignored, as the command doesn't require parameters to function. Syntax is simple, just clear. Let's execute some commands. For example, ls pvd. This is terminal before executing clear command. Let's do it clear. And this is terminal after executing clear command. You can see information about clear command by execute this command clear and man. This is manual pages for clear command. Q clearing our terminal using clear.x command in Linux. Let's execute some commands. ls pvd. This is terminal before executing clear.x command. Clear.x. So you can ask question, what is difference? The clear.x command clears the terminal screen without resetting the scrollback buffer. This means the visible screen is cleaned, but you can still scroll up to view previous command output. Let's go and see. This is previous command's output. This is useful when you want to tidy workspace while keeping access to earlier terminal history. Let's execute clear command and we lose scrollback buffer. So, to preserve terminal previous history, you can use clear.x command. We can clear our terminal by using shortcut Ctrl-L. Let's execute some command ls pvd and we should push combination of our buttons Ctrl plus L. Let's do it. Ctrl-L. And our terminal is now cleared. We can clear our terminal also using the command reset. Reset in terminal. Other way to clear our terminal by using printf ec, this command. Let's do some commands. Let's execute some commands. pvd, printf, and ec. And our terminal is cleared now. In this sequence, E represents the escape characters, while C is an escape code understood by certain terminal simulators to clear the display. Let's execute some commands, ls pvd, and let's do reset. So, you can ask question, what is the difference between clear and reset command? The clear command simply removes all visible content from the terminal screen, leaving the terminal's current settings unchanged. In contrast, the reset command not only clears the screen, but also restores the terminal to its default state, reinitializing settings such as characters, encoding, line disciplines, and display behavior. So that's all for this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, comment, and spread the knowledge. Thank you.